Hey everybody, you know what this is, Jerome B.F.A.M Cooking. We are getting close. Very, very close to the end of our giveaway. I really hope that you guys would like to, I don't know, get something for free. Yeah, I think free is good. Free is good for you to get something. Well, we have two products of which I said I would be giving away for this particular competition. It is coming to a wrap this Saturday. So, all you have to do is go to the thank you video, comment underneath it, add, what is it that you would like me to create for you, or tell me who you'd like me to interview, and make sure that you're a subscriber. That is it. It's real simple. And then from there, we're going to randomize and figure out who the two winners are. This ends on Saturday. Please, help me help you. Help me help you to win something. Come on, it's simple. Talk to you later. B.F.A.M Cooking, baby.